Welcome to the Daily Quiz Podcast. Today's category is Science and Nature. Let's get to it. Question 1. Which vital organ does the adjective renal refer to? Is it A. Heart, B. Lung, C. Kidney, or D. Liver? The answer is C. Kidney.
The word renal comes from the Latin word renes, which means kidneys. Interestingly, our kidneys are so efficient that they filter around 200 liters, 53 gallons, of blood every day, removing waste products and excess water to maintain a healthy balance in our bodies. So next time you hear the term renal, remember it's all about those hardworking kidney filters.
Question 2. What is the second largest bone in the foot? Is it A. Tibia, B. Fibia, C. Talus, or D. Metatarsal? The answer is C. Talus.
The talus bone, also known as the ankle bone, takes the spotlight as the second largest bone in the foot. This mighty bone plays a crucial role in connecting the leg and foot, allowing for smooth movement and stability. So next time you take a step, remember to give a nod to your trusty talus.
Question 3. What does a chiropodist treat? Is it A. Knees, B. Feet, C. Backs, or D. Teeth? The answer is B. Feet.
Did you know that chiropodists not only treat common foot ailments like corns and calluses, but they can also help with more unusual conditions? One such condition is podoconiosis, a type of elephantiasis caused by walking barefoot on volcanic soil. So next time you think your feet are in need of some TLC, remember that chiropodists have seen it all.
Question 4. What is dry ice? Is it A. Solid methane, B. Solid carbon dioxide, C. Solid helium, or D. Solid oxygen? The answer is B. Solid carbon dioxide.
Did you know that dry ice is so cold that it can cause instant frostbite? With a temperature of -78.5 degrees Celsius, -109.3 degrees Fahrenheit, this solid form of carbon dioxide can freeze objects upon contact, making it a popular choice for creating spooky fog effects in movies and stage productions.
Question 5. What is the name of the dinosaur with a club-like tail? Is it A. Stegosaurus, B. Parasaurolophus, C. Ankylosaurus, or D. Triceratops? The answer is C. Ankylosaurus.
The Ankylosaurus, known for its armored body and club-like tail, was not just a formidable defender but also had an unexpected talent. Recent studies suggest that this dinosaur could deliver a bone-crushing blow with its tail, capable of shattering bones like a sledgehammer. So, you definitely wouldn't want to mess with this ancient heavyweight.
Question 6. What part of the brain is affected in a lobotomy? Is it A. the frontal lobe, B. cortex, C. the hypothalamus, or D. the parietal lobe? The answer is A. the frontal lobe.
The frontal lobe is indeed the part of the brain affected in a lobotomy, but did you know that this procedure was once considered a popular treatment for mental illnesses? In fact, it gained popularity in the mid-20th century as a way to control aggressive or disruptive behavior. However, its effectiveness and ethical implications have since been widely debated and it is no longer practiced today.
Question 7. A non-cancerous tumor is said to be what? Is it A. ankylosing, B. carotid, C. malignant, or D. benign? The answer is D. benign.
Did you know that the word benign actually comes from the Latin word benignus, which means kind or gentle? So, when it comes to tumors, a non-cancerous one is considered to be kind and gentle towards our health. It's like having a friendly neighbor instead of an unruly one.
Question 8. What would you call a baby wasp? Is it A. a calf, B. a bunny, C. a larva, or D. a kitten? The answer is C. a larva.
Did you know that a baby wasp is not actually called a baby or a wasp? Nope, it's called a larva. Just like butterflies and bees, wasps go through different stages of development. So next time you see a cute little larva crawling around, remember it could grow up to be one buzzing insect.
Thanks for joining us on this scientific journey. Remember, in the realm of knowledge, curiosity is the catalyst that fuels discovery. Farewell and keep exploring. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Until tomorrow, stay safe and farewell for now. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. See the show notes page for sources and credits. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.